Good afternoon, student. Sorry. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta? How are you, all of you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So today our topic is nephrotic syndrome. Okay. Anyone idea what is nephrotic syndrome? Huh? किसी को पता है क्या होता है नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम? मेरी वॉइस आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? क्लास मेरी वॉइस आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है?
Yes,
आ रही है मैम।
तो आंसर क्यों नहीं करते हो? 3 बार बोल चुकी, 4 बार बोल चुकी। पता है क्या होता है नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम? व्हाट इज नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम? थैंक यू दीदी। नेफ्रॉन मीन्स क्या होता है? Childhood nephrotic syndrome is not a disease condition. Okay, this is a kidney damage condition, and nephrotic means kidney, na? So nephrotic syndrome means kidney damage disorder. Okay, but this is a no only kidney damage disorder. This is a symptoms of group of symptoms. ठीक है, group of symptoms mean indicated kidney damage and result in the release of too much protein from the body into the urine. Okay, so this is a nephrotic syndrome. Okay, and when the kidney are damaged, the protein albumin normally found in the blood will leak into the urine. Okay, protein are large, so complex molecules that perform a number of important function in the body. Okay, so two types of mainly nephrotic syndrome are present. Firstly, primary, and second, secondary. Okay, so primary is the most common type of childhood nephrotic syndrome. Nephrotic means kidney disease, huh? But not a kidney disease means kidney related disease. Okay, so nephrotic syndrome are mainly two types are divided, primary and secondary. Okay, primary means the most common type of nephrotic syndrome which beginning in the kidney and affect only the kidney. Okay, and secondary means caused by other disease condition. Okay, and any doctor, healthcare provider may refer a child with nephrotic syndrome to a nephrologist. Okay, nephrologist means especially specialist, है ना? Doctor is specialized in treating kidney disease. Okay, and child should see a pediatric nephrologist, है ना? Means जो normally child को treat करते हैं वो कौन करेगा? Pediatric nephrologist, है ना? But our country in no means very few amount means बहुत कम है यहाँ. Okay, pediatric nephrotic जो डॉक्टर्स हैं वो बहुत कम है. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई जो एडल्ट के जो डॉक्टर है नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम के वही क्या करते हैं, जो चाइल्डहुड है उनको भी वही ट्रीट करते हैं. ओके, means a child should see a pediatric nephrologist who has a special training to take care of kidney problem in children. Okay, if possible, in many parts of the country pediatric nephrologists are in short supply. Okay, so the child may need to travel na, if traveling is not possible, so some nephrologists who treat adult can also treat the children. Okay, and what are the kidney and what do they do, है ना? So Normally, you know, na, kidney are two bean-shaped organ, each about the size of a first, and they are located just below the rib cage. Okay, one on each side to the spine. Every day, kidney filter about 120 to 150 quarter of blood to produce about 1 to 2 quarter of urine. है ना? This is the normal anatomy and physiology of kidney, right? So, composed of waste and extra fluid, and children produce less urine than adult, है ना? And the amount produced depend on the age, right? So the urine flow from the kidney to the bladder through tubes called a uterus, है ना? And the bladder store urine when the bladder empties. So urine flow out of the body through a tube called a urethra, है ना? Located at the bottom of the bladder, है ना? So this is a normal क्या बोलना चाहिए, urinary system, है ना? So kidney work at the microscopic level, na? The kidney is not one large filter. Each kidney is made up of about 1 million filtering units called nephrons. Okay, so each nephron filter a small amount of blood. Okay, so the nephron includes a filter called the glomerulus. First of all of you on your video, all of you, सबको एक एक करके बोलना पड़ेगा कि अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए करके. ऑन करिए सभी अपना वीडियो. ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन योर वीडियो. सो रहा है सभी को ये?
Yes, ma'am.
So each kidney made up of about 1 million filtering units called nephrons. Okay, and each nephron filter a small amount of blood. Okay, and the nephron includes a filter called the glomerulus at the tubules. Okay, so normally what is causes of nephrotic syndrome, especially childhood nephrotic syndrome now? So properly not no, okay, unknown है इसका causes. Idiopathy, okay, diseases are the most common causes of normally primary childhood nephrotic syndrome, and some researchers have linked only certain disease and some specific genetic changes that damage the kidney with primary childhood nephrotic syndrome. Okay, this is a after research they are clarified. Okay, and the causes of secondary this is the primary nephrotic syndrome causes. Okay, but secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome is an underlying disease or any other infection. Okay, so called a primary illness, it is this underlying disease or infection that causes changes in the kidney function that can result in secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome. Okay, and congenital disease, so disease that are firstly primary nephrotic syndrome. Okay, then secondary nephrotic syndrome. Primary is any childhood disease condition, na? But secondary means any specially disease condition. But congenital disease matlab, congenital disease nephrotic syndrome means disease that the present at birth, okay, can also causes a childhood nephrotic syndrome. Okay, so primary childhood nephrotic syndrome, different type of like minimal changes of disease, any membranoproliferative glomerulitis. Okay, so this is a primary, and secondary means any disease condition, na? Diabetes, hepatitis, you know, diabetes because diabetes condition that occur when the body cannot use glucose. Okay, type of sugar normally. So this is a secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome causes. Okay, and hepatitis because hepatitis in condition and inflammation of the liver, है ना, caused by a virus. So that is an infection condition. That's why this is the causes of secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome. Okay, and malaria, Okay, malaria is a disease of blood that is spread by mosquito, right? So other causes of secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome can include like medication, and medication means like any aspirin, ibuprofen, any medicine, okay, means anti-inflammatory drug, so this is a causes, okay. And congenital disease and nephrotic syndrome causes, this is very rare condition, okay. Congenital nephrotic syndrome is very rare condition and affected infants in the only first 3 months of the life, okay. And this type of nephrotic syndrome sometimes called a infantile nephrotic syndrome, okay. Congenital nephrotic syndrome or infantile nephrotic syndrome, both are same, okay. Congenital nephrotic syndrome sometimes called a infantile nephrotic syndrome, so don't be confused, okay. And their causes are normally hereditary genetic defect, because this is a congenital disease, na? Congenital defect, na? So more infection. Didi. Okay. So congenital disease and childhood nephrotic syndrome, also called a infantile nephrotic syndrome, okay. And sometimes this is a very rarely condition, and sometimes affected only first 3 months of life any child, okay. And because this is a congenital diseases, है ना, so their causes is common सी बात है, inherited genetic defect, है ना, which are problem passed from the parents to child, है ना, through genes, okay. And infection at the time of birth, okay. So more information about underlying disease or infection that causes a change in kidney function, okay. All of you on your video, कितने बार बोलूं मैं? ऑन करो सभी अपना वीडियो. And next one is, which children are more likely to develop childhood nephrotic syndrome? So normally, na, in cases of primary childhood nephrotic syndrome, for which the causes are idiopathic, so researchers are unable to pin out, which children are more likely to develop the syndromes, okay. Means क्योंकि हमको इसका causes नहीं पता है. फर्स्टली प्राइमरी जो नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम है उसका कॉजेस नहीं पता है, तो हम ये नहीं बता सकते कि कौन से बच्चे नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम से ज्यादा अफेक्टेड होंगे, ओके. बट जो सेकेंडरी या चाइल्ड जो कंजेनाइटल है उसके लिए हम बता सकते हैं कि सेकेंडरी चाइल्डहुड नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम या फिर कंजेनाइटल नेफ्रोटिक जो सिंड्रोम्स है, वो जिस बच्चे को कोई डिजीज कंडीशन है ना, हैव डिजीज दैट कैन डैमेज देयर किडनी एंड टेक सर्टेन मेडिकेशन एंड डेवलप सर्टेन टाइप्स ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, सो उस बच्चे को क्या होगा, this type of children are more likely to develop childhood nephrotic syndrome, na? Okay. And what is the sign and symptoms of childhood nephrotic syndrome? So normally edema, hyperbulimia, hyperlipidemia, and albuminuria. Okay, this is the main sign and symptoms of nephrotic syndrome, okay. Edema means, you know, na, swelling, hai na, most
Yes,
often
ma'am.
in leg, feet, ankle, hands, face, okay. And albuminuria means child's urine has high level of albumin, okay. And hyperbulimia means child's blood have low level of albumin, okay. And hyperlipidemia means child blood cholesterol and fat level are higher than normal, okay. So in addition, some children with nephrotic syndrome sign and symptoms normally have blood in their urine and infection. So if infection symptoms, so होगा ही ना, common fever, lethargy, irritable, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, high blood pressure. So this is a common sign and symptoms of nephrotic syndrome or glomerulitis. Okay, and what are the complications of childhood nephrotic syndrome? So if any child infection या blood clots या फिर high blood cholesterol, है ना. So this type of children are complicated cases, na. If any person any child, when the kidney are damaged, child is more likely to develop infection now, because the body loses protein that normally protect against infection, है ना. Healthcare providers will prescribe medication to treat infection. Okay, so children with childhood nephrotic syndrome should receive the vaccine yearly. Okay, flu shots to prevent those infections. So children should also receive age appropriate vaccination. Okay, so if any child have infection, so that is a complication. Okay, for nephrotic syndrome. And blood clots, because blood clots can block the flow of blood and oxygen through a blood vessels na, anywhere in the body. So child is more likely to develop clots when he or she loses protein through the urine. Okay, so the doctor will treat blood clots with blood thinning medication, है ना. So though this medication complication for the nephrotic syndrome. Okay, and high blood cholesterol. So high blood cholesterol means when albumin leak into the urine na, so albumin level in the blood drop, right. So liver make more albumin to make up for the low level in the blood, and at the same time liver make more cholesterol. So sometimes children may need treatment with medication to lower blood cholesterol level na? So that's why this is a high blood cholesterol is a complication for a nephrotic syndrome and glomerulitis. Okay, and how we are diagnosed nephrotic syndrome? So simply medical and family history, physical examination, right. Medical and family history means one of the first thing, है ना, any doctor, nurse, we do the help diagnose childhood nephrotic syndrome, not physical examination, because physical examination may help diagnose childhood nephrotic syndrome. During a physical exam, healthcare provider most often examine a child body, right. So if any edema present, so we are diagnosed now, tap on a specific area of the child body. So this is a physical exam. And urine test. Okay, any doctor order na urine test, because this is a help determine if a child has kidney damage from childhood nephrotic syndrome. So this time a dipstick test, okay, especially for urine sample. Okay, dipstick test can detect the presence of albumin in the urine, and which could mean kidney damage. Everyone on your video, off क्यों करते हो तुम लोग वीडियो, हाँ. So which could mean kidney damage. Okay, and child or any doctor collect a urine sample in a special container for the test. Okay, and nurse or technician place a strip of chemically treated paper, okay, and called a dipstick. Okay, treated paper dipstick into the child urine sample. Patches on the dipstick change color when albumin is present in urine. Okay, so this is a urine test. Okay, and urine albumin to creatine ratio means doctor use this measurement na, to estimate the amount of albumin passed into the urine over 24-hour period. Okay, so child provide a urine sample during an appointment with the doctor, and creatinine is a waste product. Okay, filter in the kidney and passed in the urine. So high urine albumin to creatine ratio indicates that the kidney are leaking large amount of albumin, okay, into the urine. So this is a urine test, okay, for diagnosed nephrotic syndrome. Okay, and blood test involved drawing blood at a doctor, officer, or commercial faculty, sending the sample of a lab for analysis, and lab test the sample to estimate how much blood the kidney filter each minute. Okay, and this type of test now called the estimated glomerular filtration rate. Okay, short form in a EGFR. Okay, EGFR means estimated glomerular filtration rate. Okay, so this test result help the diagnosed amount of kidney damage. Okay, and order other blood tests, na doctors, so help determine the underlying disease that may be causing childhood nephrotic syndrome. Okay, so this is a blood test. And ultrasound kidney, on your video all of you, Ankita, Anamika, Anima, Binoy, बुल्टे सिंह, देवजीत, क्यों आप लोग सब ऑफ करके रखे हुए हैं? कल्याणी दास, कृष्णंदु जाना, मौमिता, सबका पर्टिकुलर मैं नेम लेके बोलूं कि आप लोग अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए करके. सुजीत, शुभ्रता. Ultrasound of the kidney, okay, means ultrasound use a device na called transducers that bonus safe, okay, painless sound wave, you know, of organ to create an imaging to their structure. Okay, so especially trained technician perform the procedure in a doctor office after hospital, you know, an outpatient center. Okay, and special medical imaging, you know, and images see if the kidney look normal and child does not need anesthesia. Okay, and kidney biopsy are diagnosed. Kidney biopsy is a procedure that involves taking a small piece of kidney tissue for examination with a microscope. Okay, and this procedure performed only doctor, and biopsy in an outpatient center or any hospital. Okay, and this is an important procedure, and this time doctor give the child light sedation, means local anesthesia. Okay, in some cases, and the child will require general anesthesia. And pathologist means any doctor जो उसमें specialist है. Okay, examine the tissue in the lab and test can help diagnose childhood nephrotic syndrome. Okay, so when the healthcare provider, any doctor, child has minimal changes disease, okay, and start treatment with medication without performing a biopsy. If the medication effective, the child does not need a biopsy. In most cases, doctor perform a biopsy on children younger than age 12. Okay, unless he or she thinks that another disease in the causes. Okay, so this is a diagnostic test. Okay, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then how were treated nephrotic syndrome? So normally primary childhood nephrotic syndrome with medication, you know, secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome treat the underlying illness or disease condition, because this is a causes of any disease condition. This is a cause, na, secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome. That's why secondary childhood nephrotic syndrome treat the underlying illness or disease condition, and congenital nephrotic syndrome treated with medication, surgery if need. Okay, surgery to remove one or both kidney, and transplantation if need. Okay, and this is a very rarely condition. Okay, so this is a nephrotic syndromes and glomeritis. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ और क्वेश्चन करना है? स्पेशली ना, इससे प्रिवेंट होने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता है? किसी चाइल्ड को उनको नॉर्मली, क्योंकि किडनी डिजीज है, तो हमको उनको क्या करना पड़ता है? स्पेशली डाइट प्लान करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, डाइट प्लान मीन्स लिमिटिंग अमाउंट ऑफ सोडियम, है ना, जैसे कि सॉल्ट हो गया, दे टेक इन ईच डे. ओके, एंड रिड्यूसिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड दे ड्रिंक ईच डे, है ना, and eating and diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol, because to help control elevated cholesterol level, na, that's why. Okay, so this is a normal prevention or prevented measure. Okay, everyone, understood what is nephrotic syndrome means? What is childhood nephrotic syndrome? And this is mainly three types: primary, secondary and congenital. Primary means no, इसका स्पेशली हमको कॉजेस अभी आइडियोपैथिक है. ओके, एंड सेकेंडरी मींस एनी डिजीज कंडीशन से रिलेटेड हमको नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम अगर किसी चाइल्ड को कॉज होता है, एंड कंजेनाइटल मीन्स जब वो क्या होता है, हेरिडिटरी होता है। ठीक है, मौमिता, मौमिता दास,
Yes, ma'am.
मौमिता दास, what is nephrotic syndrome? What is nephrotic syndrome? मौमिता दास, मौमिता दास,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
सो मौमिता दास, मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है तुमको?
Yes, ma'am.
जिससे क्वेश्चन करूंगी ना उसको ही मेरी वॉइस नहीं आती है, राइट? प्रतिमा बैग, प्रतिमा बैग, हाँ, वीडियो ऑन करके चले जाओ कहीं भी। मुस्लिमा खातून, गुड, बस वीडियो ऑन करके रख दो, फिर बाद में आके बोलना है कि मैम ने क्या क्लास लिया पता ही नहीं है ना? देवजीत,
No, ma'am.
देवजीत, जिसको बोलती हूँ उसी को मेरी वॉइस नहीं आती है। रॉबिन पात्रा,
Yes, ma'am.
What is nephrotic syndrome? नहीं पता? हाँ, क्लासेस समझ में नहीं आती क्या तुम लोग को? ओके, क्लास इज ओवर, बाय एवरीवन। किसी को कोई आंसर करना ही नहीं है, बस
Ma'am,
क्लासेस सुनना है।
syndrome is a kidney disorder. This is a by body exists protein in urine.
तो बस किसी एक को ही क्लास में एक्टिव रहना है, बाकी लोगों को कोई आंसर नहीं करना है क्या? हाँ, नहीं समझ में आता है तो नहीं समझ में आया बोलो, आया है तो आया है बोलो। ये बिना आंसर करना मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है। पहले भी जब आप लोग इधर क्लास में आते थे तो मैं बोलती थी ना, आंसर करो। ओके, बाय एवरीवन।
Thank you, ma'am.